Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. So as you can see, I am doing my right hand today. So my right hand's my dominant hand. You're gonna see me knock some stuff over here and there. I'm not very coordinated when I do this hand. I actually think I do it better just because I'm so slow and precise. But I do knock over quite a few things in this video, and this did not go quite as planned. It took forever, and I didn't have a lot of time because I was trying to squeeze it in between the building of the building, yeah. And I don't know. The dip part went fine, but then the nail art kind of took a bad turn, and it probably did not turn out quite how I had hoped. And I was gonna redo it, but I just did not have time, and it looks fine. It just wasn't what I was going for. So we'll talk more about that when I get to that part. Right now, I'm gonna dip my pinky, my ring, and my thumb in this. It's called Blackout. It's by Nail Dips. I think you guys know by now I'm an ambassador for Nail Dips, so you can save on any other dips or any other products using my code Jill15. The link for the site and my discount code is in the description always. So yeah, I'm going to dip these out. I only show the first coat, and then when I come back, they will be clear capped and activated. And then there will be one layer of black on my other two fingers. And that is because I went to do the glitter, and it didn't look right. It didn't give it the dark vibe I was going for, because I'm kind of like going for a dark fall mani. So I was like, I bet if I put a layer of black underneath this glitter, it's gonna do what I want it to do, and it did. This glitter is so gorgeous. So I'm gonna let you guys, I'm gonna let you guys watch. I'm gonna be to the point I was just talking about in 2.2 seconds, so that's kind of pointless. But we are going to do some stamping with some chrome powder. So here's the other dip, and for the life of me, I can't remember what it's called, and I'm not in my nail room right now, but it will be linked in the description box so you guys can see it, or check it out if you want to. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. I don't have an orange chrome powder, and I really wanted to bring out the orange and the glitter. How do I not have? I have all these different colors, but no flippin' orange. And if I would have been thinking, I could have stamped in black and then gone over it with my orange foil, but I wasn't thinking, so I did not do that. So I did do the stamp with a green, like chrome powder, and then so it's a layered stamp, and then I went over that in black. And then you'll see I kind of try to tie in the orange from the glitter on the nail art nail. Which we're a minute away from that, so I'm getting ahead of myself, but I will show you guys how I do that. Right now, I'm just gonna let you guys watch. I am gonna just do one layer of the glitter, and then I will show you clear capping my pointer, and then we'll activate, and then we'll get into the nail art. So I will be back in a few minutes.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step back, at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
And there she goes. I told you I was going to knock some stuff over. So I am just doing 3 layers of activator, which is what I always do before I file. I'm getting click, click, click on the black nails. So I'm going to file those first and then I'll file my other nails. And then this was the beginning of my nail art and I cut everything out because it did not go as planned. And I actually ended up taking off the liquid latex because I didn't really need it because the stamp I was doing is just a single image. So that is why it is no longer on my fingers. So this is, it looks more, I don't even know what color it looks. It doesn't look green on camera, but trust me, it's green. And when it goes on my nail, you'll see that it's green. So basically I just put some on a stamper. This is a designated, I don't care if I ruin stamper because it's pretty cheap off Amazon. I do not use my good Manitude stampers for chrome powder or anything that I'm afraid I'm going to ruin. See, very green. It took me probably 45 minutes to get to this point where we're at right now of just straight nail art, just over and over, stamping over and over again, trying different things. I do have an orange stamping polish, but it's very like bright orange. It's not, it just, I needed something more fallish. You can kind of see it on my cleanup thingy, lint roller, that it was a very bright orange. I believe it came with like a neon collection. I don't even know. And it just wasn't working. Like I said, I could have used foil. My brain was not functioning and I did not think of it. So we ended up going with this green. I think in the end it turned out okay. It just wasn't what I was going for. And sometimes that's super disappointing when I'm like doing my nails and I have this vision in my head and then I do it and I'm like, well, that's not what I saw inside my head. But, you know, sometimes I will get frustrated and I will remove all the dip and then I just won't even post it. And other times I will just go with it. And other times I will fix what I don't like. I didn't have time to do any of that. Like if I would have just not done this video, then you guys wouldn't have a video today. And I'm trying to stick to my word of not getting behind again. So I was like, and we're our own worst critics. That's 100% true. We all are harder on ourselves than other people are hard on us. I think that makes sense. And, you know, when my boyfriend got home, I showed him, he's like, actually, I kind of like it. And I was like, oh, okay, well, I don't know why. And I think the biggest reason I didn't like it is because it's not what I had envisioned in my mind. So anyway, we've already put on smudge-free top coat, which right here, and I gave it 5 minutes to dry. And usually I'm fine. Like my whole entire left hand is all stamps. And I did this exact same process. and I had no issues. But for some reason, the black smudged a little bit. It's hard to tell on camera, but I'm pretty sure when I take my pictures, which I haven't done yet, it's going to show up. It is what it is. It's just a little smudge. It's nothing, it's not, if it was really bad, I would have had to fix it, but it wasn't that bad. So I put a little bit of the base, and because this is odorless, it can sit on that palette for a good while before it dries. And I love that. So I took this little silicone tool. You guys have seen me use this for other things in my video. And then I dab it into the base coat, and then I dab it into the glitter. And then I'm just kind of going around the leaves to bring out some of that orange glitter on this nail, because I really wanted to incorporate the orange from the glitters, from the glitter nails. I think it gave what I was going for. Hopefully. This definitely doesn't show up in camera very well, but I believe it will on the pictures when I take them soon. But the reason I put the activator down first is so that when I lay this glitter on, it's going to dry pretty quick. And that's what I wanted, because if it doesn't dry quick, then it's going to sit on my nail and I'm going to have to wait 10-15 minutes before I can go in with a layer of base coat to encapsulate it. And then when I do that, if there's anything still wet, it's going to spread the glitters onto the leaves, which I didn't want. So hopefully that all makes sense of what I'm doing. So I did encapsulate it, and then I matte top coated, and it did not look good at all. It's user error. It was my first time using the Color My World matte dip top coat, and I'm going to have to like do a little investigating, because I did not do it any justice, and I just did not, I didn't have time. My stepdad was out already working on the building, and he was patiently waiting for me, and I was like, okay, I don't have time to mess with this. So I basically filed everything down, all the matte top coat off, and now I'm just going in with my normal shiny odorless top coat. So activate twice like I usually do, use a lint-free wipe, no alcohol, wipe off, and then we're going to go in with our first layer of dip top coat. And I do this the exact same way I do in all my videos. I am a little bit slower because and I'm trying to go fast, but I don't want to get sloppy and get it all over my fingers. So I'm not going as fast as I probably should for dip top coat, but this is odorless, and the brush is extremely, like, you have to try purposely to contaminate it. Like, I think I've contaminated the odorless base coat, top coat, base coat. I think it was base coat. Either way, one time since I've been using it. And you guys know I've been using it pretty much since I started my YouTube channel. Actually, a little bit before that. But it's very hard to contaminate. So now we're going in with our second layer. And now I can go slow and not worry about anything. And cap my free edge and all of that stuff. So we are just about wrapped up. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it wasn't too crazy, boring, or whatever, just because I did rush it out. But hopefully I will have some time this weekend, because I don't believe we are working on the building this weekend. My stepdad has stuff to do. So hopefully I will have some time this weekend to get a couple manis done and get caught up and get videos already ready and done, so that I'm not doing them at the last minute. That is the goal, but we will see what happens. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button, hit the notification bell. I would be super happy to have you part of this nail fun with me. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, and stick around to the end. I will have pictures like normal. Thanks. Bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.